My name is Mary Loy, and I'm a welding major and a Marine. I was in the Marines for 8 years. When I decided to rejoin the civilian world, it was very challenging. A lot of military members go from being around people to by themselves. And it's a hard change. One of the things that I never knew, because I joined right out of high school, was how to join college or go to college. So one of the biggest things that helped me was the Veterans Affairs office at Columbus State. They helped walk me through the steps that I needed to be able to use my GI Bill. Columbus State provided a support system, which was the Veterans Lounge, where other military members could get together, talk about things, become friends. They also helped with figuring out what kind of classes I should schedule. You have to find your niche. You have to find where you fit. I was halfway through my construction management degree, and I decided to add welding onto it. Ever since I started welding, there's been so many opportunities. My welding professor suggested I try this work study with OSU. I'm able to visually inspect the weld and see any deficiencies that there might be. Because I learned those visual inspections from Columbus State, I'm able to help the OSU engineers become better engineers and understand how these different pieces of welding will make a better piece of material. When you look around Columbus, there's a lot of structural buildings that are happening. There's a lot of roadways and bridges. Either new ones are being built or old ones are being replaced. So every single thing in a city has welding, has ironwork, has metal in one way, shape, or form. I chose Columbus State. Now, I've found my niche in an industry that's shaping the skyline of Columbus.